How to fix Shopee your account has been restricted? Well, there could be so many reasons that your account has been restricted. The very first reason could be that you are trying to purchase any of the product which is invalid. You have tried to log in into the Shopee app with different accounts, or you have tried, or maybe it's true or not, you have to try to scam Shopee. So if Shopee found any of the unrestricted method or any untrial method which you are doing, then they will definitely restrict your Shopee app, your Shopee account. So to solve this issue, there's only one way, that you have to talk to them. On the top right, you will always see a chat option. So this is a chat history. Well, I didn't did any chat, that's why. To do that, on the bottom right side, go to the me option, which is on the bottom right. Scroll a little bit down and go to the help center. And here in the help center, by the way, if you're not able to find the help center, you can always go to the Google and search for Shopee help center, your country name. Here you will find an option that if you're not able to find this option, just go to the search and write here restricted and enter. So you will find a lot of option: why my account deletion request rejected, why account login into my Shopee account. So this is one here. They have shown too many answers here, solutions here, but if it is not, then you can always click on no inquiries at, or basically you can just raise a ticket. Just click on no, it was not helpful, or select any one of the reason, write the description that it was a by mistake, and you can just write that you didn't did any kind of restricted or unrestricted payment methods or whatever, and they will mail you through your email address and in the next 24 hours, and your problem will be get solved. So this is only one way to do it, and I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.